Good morning, students. This is another type of oscillator called Colpits Oscillator. Previously, we studied Hartley Oscillator. No, this is Colpits Oscillator. The name itself, first letter is C. No, so in this oscillator, we are using two capacitors. See here, this is Colpits Oscillator. Here also, we are using voltage divider bias. One choke is connected in the collector. Instead of collector, we are connecting a resistor. It's not a problem. Then CB, CC are coupling capacitors in the base and collector. R1, R2 are base resistors. Then RC and RE. See here, this is CB, this is CC, CB, CC are connecting capacitors or coupling capacitors in the base and the collector. Then collector we are using RFC choke. Instead of RFC we are using RC as resistor. It's not a problem. Then a emitter have a resistor that is called as RE. This capacitor is called as CE. This is the bypass capacitor. Any excess AC is coming, that AC is directly go to capacitor and directly go to the ground. That is capacitor only allow AC. In class I told CAC. CAC means capacitor allow AC. Then here two capacitors is there. Then one inductor is there. Anyway, is at three impedances. Is at 1, is at 2, is at 3. Two are capacitor impedance, one is inductive impedances. This is tank circuit. A capacitor and inductor are connected in parallel, that is called as tank circuit. In this we are changing the capacitance value or changing the inductance value. The frequency will be varied. Hence this circuit is also called as tuned circuit. Okay, this circuit, first supply is coming, capacitor gets fully charged. Once capacitor is fully charged, then it is discharged through the inductor. Now inductor is fully charged. Now what happened? Inductor is discharged through the capacitor. So this charging and discharging produce 180-degree half cycle. Then remaining 180 is produced by this transistor. So this transistor produce 180-degree. This tank circuit or tuned circuit produce 180-degree. Totally this 180 plus this 180 is 360. That is sine wave, full sine wave. Okay, why I'm telling this is oscillator means without any input signal, but it produces a output sine wave. In this space you draw a sine wave. Okay, normal sine, you draw a normal sine wave. Okay, without input produce the output. Don't forget to draw. Here you draw the sine wave. Okay, right. Then R1, R2, RC, RC and RE, CE and CB, lot of things is there. Okay, then this CE and CB capacitors was only allowed AC signal, right? Only allowed the AC signal. Suppose any DC signal is feedback to the capacitor, what happened? Capacitor allow only AC, not allow DC. So it doesn't allow DC. That's why it minimizes the interference. There is no capacitor means AC value as well as DC. This DC both are combined, that produce a murmur sound. Okay, to avoid that we are using a capacitor. This capacitor black this DC as well as it allow AC to the base. Okay, same thing here also. This is black DC and allow AC, right? Right. Same thing here, the theory. Then circuit operation 180 plus 180, that produce 360 degree. Okay, frequency of oscillation. Now listen, don't worry, I will share the notes, it's not a problem. Okay, my mail ID is skk@velammalitech.edu.in. Just you send a mail to this ID, I'll send the notes. Okay, right. Then don't forget to like my channel. Yes. Okay. Then listen here. Here Z1, Z2, Z3. Threes are impedances. First two are capacitive impedance. Second one is inductive impedance. Then this is your input impedance. So input impedance is multiplied with this circuit impedances plus Z1 and Z2 are capacitive impedances. So into gain. Then finally Z1, this is your capacitive impedance. Z3, this is your inductive impedance. There is no connection. No, so just I multiply Z1 with Z2. This is the easiest method to memorize. Actually, it is a blind method. It's not a problem. Anyway, easiest method, right? So Z1, Z2, Z3 all are impedance. So I multiply with the impedance. Z1, Z2 are capacitive impedance. So I multiply with the gain. Z1, Z3 normal thing. One is capacitive, another one is inductive. So there is no connection. So I directly put Z1 into Z3 equal to 0. Now you substitute this value 1 by j omega C1. Okay, HIE into Z1 value, then plus Z2 value plus Z3 value. Here they substitute no HIE into Z1 value, Z2 value, Z3 value. Actually this is plus. All are plus no. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. So நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்க? Just you put a plus here, right? J omega C plus this. Same place. So listen, don't mug up anything. Suppose you are not able to understand this derivation. This derivation is very easy. You can able to understand, but this derivation is not a compulsory one. You derive in your own method. What do you do? Substitute Z1 value, substitute Z2 value, and substitute Z3 value. Just substitute the Z1, Z2, Z3 value in this equation, then do your further manipulation. You got the output. Here plus is there, plus is not there, so you can this is wrong. Don't think like that. The normal thing, substitute the impedance in this, that's all. So don't mug up anything. This is the understanding. Okay, after that do some manipulation, you got the answer. Do some manipulation, you got the answer. After that answer, what they do? Separate the real part as well as imaginary part. Okay, this equal to first take imaginary part is equal to 0. Why I am telling this is imaginary part? Because j term is there. No, j term is there. That part is called as imaginary part. Now imaginary part is equal to 0. Then do the manipulation. Do the manipulation. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. Use that formula. You got this answer. C1 plus C2 divided by L into C1 C2. This is your answer. Omega. You know omega is equal to 2 pi f. What is omega? Omega is angular momentum. Okay, we have 2 pi f. Then find out the f. This I want. I want a frequency of oscillation. Okay, in this way I find out the frequency of oscillation. After that, real part is equal to 0. Do the manipulation. In this, what do you find? You find out the value of HFE out. That's all. Derivation is over. So the conclusion, அதாவது இதோட சராம்சம் என்ன அப்படின்னா, first you find out, first you write the general equation எழுதிக்கணும். After that you substitute the impedances value. Impedance ஓட value நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? அந்த general equation போடணும். போட்டுட்டு then you got a equation. ஒரு equation உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிடும். After that separate that equation into real part as well as imaginary part. வந்த equation-ஐ real part-ஆவும் imaginary part-ஆவும் பிரிச்சுக்குங்க. Okay, then real part equating real part is equal to 0, equating imaginary part equal to 0. வந்த equation real part imaginary part பிரிச்சிங்க இல்லையா? substitute real part is equal to 0 னு substitute பண்ணுங்க, imaginary part is equal to 0 னு substitute பண்ணுங்க. Once you substituted, you got a value of, yeah, once you substituted, you got a value of f. Imaginary part is equal to 0, you got value of f. Real part is equal to 0, you got value of hfe. Imaginary part 0 பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? frequency கிடைக்கும். real part 0 பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? HFE கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, இப்போ எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? I want HFE as well as frequency. I got HFE as well as frequency. முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. Entire derivation will be over. So small rehearsal. First generalize equation, then substitute the impedance. You got a equation. 3 step ஆயிடுச்சா? Fourth step, real part is equal to 0. Find out HFE. Fifth step, imaginary part is equal to 0. Find out F. That's all. Thank you. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Okay. Like பண்ணுங்க. Listen. ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு வீடியோ எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். Students ஒழுங்கா உட்கார்ந்து படிக்கணும். ஓகே, இத வந்து சும்மா வேஸ்ட் பண்ணி விட்டுறாதீங்க. கண்டிப்பா இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு புரியும். Definitely you are able to understand. Okay, so Hartley RC phase shift oscillator பிடிச்சாச்சு. Then I finished the Hartley oscillator. Then this is Colpits oscillator. Previously Q point பத்தி ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டிருப்பேன். ஓகே, just see this video. வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, நீங்க படிக்கணும்ன்ற அவசியம் இல்ல. Just see my video and directly go to exam. You got a O grade. Okay, you didn't see, I'm not ensure you are passing. என்னால உங்களுக்கு பாஸ் பண்ண என்ஷூர் பண்ணவே முடியாது நீங்க இந்த வீடியோவை பார்க்கவே இல்லைன்னா. பட் இந்த வீடியோவை நீங்க பார்த்துட்டு போனீங்க, ஈவன் பார்த்துட்டு போனா நான் ஃபெயில் ஆகினேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா கமெண்ட்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ அப்படி கமெண்ட் பண்றவங்களுக்கு ஐ கிவ் 1000 rupees. இந்த வீடியோ நான் பார்த்தேன், என்னால் பாஸ் பண்ணவே முடியவே இல்லை, எனக்கு இது புரியவே இல்லைன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன்ல கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஐ கிவ் 1000 rupees. எனிவே, தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் லிசனிங், தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். தேங்க்யூ. I'm Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor, EC Department. You have any doubt in this, just mail me. You want notes for this, mail me. I'll give the notes. My mail is skk@velammal.itech. Small I tech, TECH. Everything is small. Okay, itech.edu.in.